Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're busy with Kristi Shive, Warren County Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Good morning, Kristi.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, Kristi, I know you're usually on this side, but you have a really cool program that I think a lot of people would be interested in.
Yes, so the Cooking Through the Calendar program actually starts today. If you are interested in joining, you can come right on down to the office. Starts at 10:30 a.m. So this program will be from January through May on the third Wednesday of each month at 10:30, and you are going to be cooking through the calendar with me. This is our 2023 food and nutrition calendar. Joanna, these are so popular around here in the office and in the community. It's a calendar, but each month actually has a recipe, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1 calendar and recipe book.
And what I think is so cool is that the university has, we're based on research-based information. So they have researched these recipes, and so you can feel really good about feeding these to your family.
Yes, they are meant to be low cost, easy, and nutritious recipes. So this program is going to be great for anyone who is an experienced cook in the kitchen, or maybe you're just a beginner, because this is not a hands-on program, but you will come, you'll watch me do a food recipe demonstration, and then you'll get a tasting. So Joanna, I think sometimes we lack inspiration in the kitchen. Maybe we get in a rut of making the same recipes over and over, and that's why I love these calendars, because they're very unique and delicious recipes. So if you are just trying to find new recipes, maybe come to the program, get inspired, and it's completely free. And I'm going to be giving out some incentives. So I have a few of those incentives today. Joanna, this is a grocery list. We are always trying to encourage people to consume enough fruit and vegetables and all of the other food groups in the My Plate. And this grocery list is awesome, and it has a magnet so it can stick to your refrigerator. And then we've seen this, the Farmer's Market Guide. So always trying to promote shopping at the farmer's market. We're going to have some other great incentives.
And people think about farmer's market and they think about that in the summertime, but we're so fortunate here in Warren County that we do have year-round farmers markets that you still can go and get some of those great winter vegetables.
Yeah.
And people say, well, I don't know how to use kale or some of those other crops, but there's fresh carrots and all kinds of things. And if they don't, they can come by and get recipes, because you have other recipes besides the cooking in the calendar recipes.
Yep. And Joanna, another great feature about the calendar is in the very back of the calendar, we have the recipes that you can tear out and create a little recipe book. Another great feature about the calendar is that each month it has these little side spotlights. So make it a meal. It suggests how we can pair other items with it to make it a complete meal. So some more inspiration for us. Here we have the ingredient spotlight.
And I think money right now, when people go to the grocery store, is something that they're concerned about. A lot of our everyday items, the cost of those have increased. And so they really might be looking for budget-friendly meals, but not sacrificing on the flavor or the creativity of that. And I think these meals help do that.
They do. And like frozen vegetables, we know that when they are harvested, they're frozen at peak freshness. And so if fresh is not an option that you can afford, frozen is a great option. So these recipes, along with our other NEP recipes, really show us how we can make budget-friendly meals in a delicious way.
Absolutely, but it does take some planning.
Yes.
And we have resources here available at the Extension office to help with meal planning and budgeting and all the things that they might need help with.
We sure do, Joanna. We always are happy to help you find a recipe that you're looking for, happy to help you meal plan, be budget friendly.
All right, so if they want to come learn from you about cooking through the calendar, do they just call the office and sign up?
Yes, call the office at 270-842-1681.
All right, thanks, Kristi, for the information, and I hope to get cooking with you through the calendar. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.